Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Erlangga Dikoranto, NBI 1462-1038. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang big tech saya yang berjudul Startup Rumah Freelance. We are their rumah freelance, their way. Di sini saya mengambil ide ini karena saya terinspirasi dari website Fiverr, website asal Israel. Oke, saya mulai. Pertama, slide summary mengenai about vision and mission Rumah Freelance. First, vision become a platform for leading freelance that encourage access for company that need the service of freelance. And the mission, organizing freelance so that they are easy to find by companies that need freelance service. What product Rumah Freelance? What we sell in Rumah Freelance is a service. Our target market, Rumah Freelance target our market to company and people who need service. This Rumah Freelance business opportunity is due to the large number of freelance who need a platform to make it easier to find client and the develop of era society 5.0, which is allow expert service to be need. To minimize operational risk, we will record the necessary employee as need for financial problem if there is a debt, and next which is must be paid first short-term debt. If possible, avoid the debt if not for urgent needs. For legal issue, we will make a contract and understand the contract before seeing the contract. Next slide is problem. Maybe a problem that will occur is server error, maintenance, and the most importantly, the freelancer cannot complete their work not according to the time frame, agree, or late and very late with the client. Next slide is solution about the problem before. For the solution that will be carried out to solve the problem that we described earlier. The first problem was the server error. We will record server expert, maintain, and the order program error. And for the problem of freelance, who cannot complete the task according to the late and very late agreement, buyer are entitled to cancel their order if there no further response from the seller. If a seller does deliver soon after the order is marked as late, the buyer will be given the chance to request navigation or complete the order and rate expiration are coding. Next slide, product. For the product that we will provide our freelance service to service buyer, it takes several examples, such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, writing and animation, music and audio, programming and text, business and lifestyle. Business model. How does Rumah Freelance makes money? We generate revenue primarily through transaction-based fee. When an order is placed, buyer pay Rumah Freelance the gigs price plus 5% service fee with a minimum service fee of $2. Upon successful completion of an order, Rumah Freelance makes 18% of the gigs price available to seller of the gigs. Next slide. About market opportunity. For now, our market is still in the early stage, namely looking for freelance to register at Rumah Freelance because this is still the startup planning stage. This is still limited to this, but this startup will grow rapidly because there are many opportunities where there are university students who need a platform to find short-term pursuit, and there are also many experts who work in like large company who still need side job. Therefore, we are here to accommodate freelance who still confused to find the client. About competition, estimate that will be competitor for this business are Fiverr, Fastwork, Sribulancer, Project.co.id, Freelance, Upwork, Udemy, Seribu, and The Guru. These 10 lists are websites for freelance who will become our business competitor. Next, let's about grow. For our initial market acquisition, we will be Indonesian freelancer. To maintain market retention and product innovation, we will provide initial referral code for new user and the order discount on important day, such as winter sale, autumn sale, and the order. About traction, to handle product risks, here we will provide regulation for the service of freelance who have registered at Rumah Freelance. After that, to handle market risk, we will target our market to small companies that need freelance service that are suitable for them, and people who are looking for freelance service too. And for the problem of execution risk, here will seek knowledge about that ID that arise from the team so that we can execute them properly in order to reduce the risk of execution. Next slide about financial. Financial, 3 years at the beginning, we will advertise the beginning, middle, and end of the month with estimate annual cost is IDR 125.200.000, and for income we take 5% VA from transaction with SMS minimum transaction of IDR 30.000 with the example of SMS that there will be 500 to 1000 transaction per day. There will be 360.000 transaction for 1 year with example of VA of 30.000. The income for a year is estimated to be 544 juta more or less. Then the net profit for 1 year is estimated to be 414.800 juta. About funding accordation to test data, the initial capital from the first year around 150 juta, make business run to above nominal include the emergency fund. This is data. We need first year's budget. The first biaya server, the second biaya iklan, the third biaya wifi, and four gaji karyawan. And thanks about team. For the team itself, I am Erlangga Dwi Koranto as a founder and CEO. Background in Informatika Technology Education at the University of 17 Agustus Surabaya 1445. And the other 3 people are still in the search stage. Next is closing. The main point of the point that I present to you, the first is that this startup will run in the digital market, and we will need expert in the IT and the business field. The second, in the financial slide, there may be a worst case For the example, the number of transactions does not match the estimated because this financial data will always be updated. So this will affect the growth rate. And the financial may be in the years to come, the number of competitors will increase to company will always update innovation. Terima kasih. Segitu saja penjelasan dari saya tentang presentasi startup rumah freelance, dan ini adalah logo saya, original saya sendiri. Makna dari bentuk V yang seperti ini adalah atap dan landasannya adalah rumah freelance-nya. Dan isinya rumah itu adalah freelance. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.